This is K.Naga Suresh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Aditya University. Today we are going to discuss about the isometric projection to orthographic projection in engineering graphics. So these are the learning outcomes. Draw the front view, top view and side view of a objects given in isometric projection by using AutoCAD. Solve the simple problem related to isometric projection to orthographic projection. So this is the meaning of the isometric to orthographic projection or definition of the isometric to orthographic projection. It is the process of taking a 3D isometric drawing and breaking it down into two orthographic views like front view, top view, side view. These are nothing but isometric to orthographic projection. So this is the simple problem. It is like a stairs. This is the one object. Draw the orthographic projection of a given isometric view of a object. Let's how to draw this object in AutoCAD. Now we will discuss. So this is the 3D structure. So this 3D structure we converted into 2D structure like front view and top view, side view of the object. Here they are indicating the one arrow. The arrow representation is nothing but that arrow direction is called front view. Let us assume this direction is a front view. In this front view, what faces are visible in this front view? If you standing in this position, if you observe this, so what faces are visible? So the faces are visible. These surface or face is visible. So what is the dimension of this? 104, 48, 24. Okay, and these face is visible. And next here the stairs are there. In that stairs, the front face of the stairs is visible like this stair face is visible and this stair face is visible in front view. So what is the dimension of this rectangle face in stairs? So that is 16. Again this dimension is 104 minus 24. So that is 80 mm. Yes. So let's we start this problem in the AutoCAD, and this is the interface of the AutoCAD. Before starting of the drawing, we will give one or two screen settings. So first one, units, 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 enter. Precision is there, change it into precision 0.0. Identify the units is there in millimeters or not. So if it is millimeters, keep it is as it is, click OK. Next, limits, 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 enter. 0, 0, enter. 420, 297, enter. Z for zoom, enter. A for all, enter. And next one, go to the dimension style manager, D, enter. Here dimension style manager is open, go to the modify and symbols and arrows. Arrow size is 4 and text height is, go to the text height is also 4 and primary units is there here, go to the primary units, change it into 0.0 and click OK and close. These three screen settings are mandatory to draw any component. So first we will go to the drawing. So this is the component. First we will draw the front view of the object. So draw the 104. Next one, this is 48 and this is 16 and this is 80. Okay. And you draw these two rectangles first. Go to the AutoCAD, take the line command and draw the line. Make sure switch on the ortho mode F8. Okay. So the ortho mode is placing a major role for this isometric projection to orthographic projection. Every time you need to switch on the ortho mode. So that is F8. Yes. So first one, don't take here line command, take the polyline command, PL. That is nothing but PL is nothing but polyline. PL, enter. Our option directly available here. Yes. So PL, enter. Go to the slide. So this is the height is 48 and this is the 104. Go to the AutoCAD, 48, 48, next one 104, yes, and next one 16, and next one 80, and next one trace the line here and draw the first surface. Next front surfaces are visible surfaces is these two stairs vertical faces 16, 24, yes. 16 and 80. Go to the AutoCAD, take the polyline 16 and close. Again take the same command 16 and close here. So this is the front shape of the object. After completion of that, project all edges below, take the line command projects all edges below by projection lines. These are the projection lines. So, after completion of this projection line, we will start the top view of the object. Yes. So, this is we use the first angle projection method. In that first angle projection method, so the front view below the top view is came. Okay. Is it clear? In third angle projection method, the front view above top view is came. Yes. So, this is the object. We need to draw the top view of the object. In top view, what surfaces are visible? In top view, this top surface, L shaped surface is visible. Okay. So, the dimension is 104, 72, 24. Yes. And this is 24 and again this is 80. Okay. So, this surface is visible and the two stairs are there in this stairs. So, the top face of the stairs are visible, that is 24, 80. Again here also 24, 80. Yes. So, complete the top view also. Next, go to the polyline command, draw the top view. This is 104 and this is 72. This is 72. And this is 24. Yes. And next one, you complete that. What is the dimension? This is 24. Yes. Go to the object 24 and 80 and close. Okay. And next surface is top face of the stairs. Go to the polyline 24 and close. Again same command you will continue, press enter, 24 and close. So, this is the top view of the object. So, in the top view, when we see the top view of this object, these faces are visible. Next, we need to draw the side view. If you standing in the left side direction, if you see the right side, so your vision is in right side, the left surfaces are projected in right side of the object. Okay. The left surfaces are projected in right side of the object. So, if you standing in the left side and observe the right side direction, these surface is visible in side view, left side of the object. So, what is this dimension? 48, 72, again this is 16, 24, 16, 24, 16, 24. So, this surface is visible. Next, what the next surface is visible? And this L shaped surface is also visible. So, what is this dimension? This dimension is like 24, 16, 24. Again, this height and this width is also visible. Go to the object, project this front view for the right side to draw the left view. So, draw the left side view, take the polyline command. So, what is this width? Go to the object, this length is 72, 72 and again 16, 24, 16, 24, 16 and this is 24. Extend this line up to the edges. Yes, this is the side view and remaining surface is there. This surface is also visible. Draw that surface also. Take the polyline, trace the point and complete. This is the left side view of the object. So, we need to highlight the object. We need to show the difference between product and projection line. So, give some thickness of the product of the line. So, PE, that is PE, enter, select the line of the or select any line of the product and take the width command. So many options are available in polyedit. So take the width command, give width 0.8. Yes, and again double click on the enter button, same command is continue, 0.8. Like that, you need to highlight your object. Double click on the button, enter button, so automatically the command is continue. So this is the way of highlighting the object. After completion of the usage of the polyedit, press escape, the command is closed. Yes, after completion of that, so indicate, so which is the front view, which is the top view. So take the empty, enter, from select here to here. Okay, so the window is open, you have to give front view, top view, side view, like that. So this is the front view FV. So give the size 5. Yes, and drag it into center and copy this front view and mention here. So this is the top view, and copy this object or letter and place here. So this is side view. Yes, after completion of that, you have to give the dimension. Go to the dimension, take the linear and give the dimension. So this is 48 and this is 16 and this is 24, and give the dimension of this top view also. This is 72 and this is also 24 and this is also, you have to give from here to here 48 and here to here 48. So this is the product. So how to draw the or how to conversion of isometric object to orthographic object. Yes. So now today we discuss about summary of the today's section. So draw the front and top and side view of the objects given in the isometric projection by using AutoCAD. Simple problem on isometric projection to the orthographic projection. Thank you.